Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
First, prepare the app package by creating an APK file from the installed app. Use an APK extractor app to generate the APK file on your device. Check the file size before transfer. For example, many apps are around 15 MB. Next, enable Install Unknown Apps in Settings if you plan to install the APK after transfer. This avoids blocked installs and streamlines the process for the receiving device. Keep the APK in an easy folder like Downloads for quick Bluetooth sharing. Now pair the two devices using Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on both devices and make them visible or discoverable in Bluetooth settings. Choose the other device name from the list and confirm the numeric PIN shown on both screens. Wait until the system shows devices as paired and connected. Keep both phones within Bluetooth range, typically under 10 meters, to maintain a stable connection during the file transfer. Avoid moving too far away until the transfer completes successfully. Finally, share the APK via Bluetooth using your file manager. Locate the APK file in Downloads and tap Share, then choose Bluetooth as the sending method. Select the paired device as the recipient and start the transfer. On the receiving device, accept the incoming file prompt and wait until the transfer completes to 100%. After transfer, open the received APK file and tap Install. If needed, enable Install Unknown Apps permission for the installer app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.